If your pressure washer is not building pressure, there are several possible reasons for this issue. Restrictions in one of the inlets, often caused by dirt or debris blockages, can prevent the pressure washer from functioning properly. To resolve this, remove and clean the water inlet filter, and inspect the hose for any kinks or bends that could be restricting water flow. Additionally, ensure the water source is fully open and providing adequate flow. Another potential cause is air entering the pump due to loose connections or damaged O-rings, which disrupts the water flow. To fix this, check all connections between the water supply, hose, and pressure washer, and ensure they are tight and secure. Replace any worn or damaged O-rings as needed. A slipping belt-driven pump can also reduce the pressure washer's output, as it fails to supply enough power from the engine to the pump. Inspect the belt for signs of wear or damage and replace it if necessary, following the manufacturer's guidelines and ensuring the pulleys are well aligned and the correct type and size of belt are used. Finally, a partially plugged relief valve or a stuck valve seat can also cause problems. To rectify this, clean and adjust the valve, and check the seals to ensure they are not worn or dirty. If the leak persists, replace them. By following these steps, you should be able to fix your pressure washer and restore its functionality.